RT AX58U LAN port not working. Cable check and reset. Step 1. Initial cable check. First, let's start with the basics. Ensure the Ethernet cable is securely plugged into both the RT AX58U's LAN port and your device, example PC or console. Check the cable ends for any bent pins, frayed wires, or physical damage. If possible, try a different LAN port on the router, and if you have another device, try connecting it to rule out issues with your primary device's Ethernet adapter. Step 2. Test with a known good cable. A common cause of connectivity issues is a faulty Ethernet cable. If the problem persists after the initial check, try replacing your current Ethernet cable with a brand new or known good one. Connect the cable between the RT AX58U's LAN port and your device. If the LAN port now works, the old cable was likely the issue. Step 3. Soft reboot the router. Sometimes a simple reboot can resolve temporary glitches. Unplug the power cable from your RT AX58U router. Wait for about 30 seconds to allow all electrical charge to dissipate. Then plug the power cable back in. Wait for the router to fully boot up and stabilize before checking if the LAN port is now functioning. Step 4. Perform a hard reset. If the soft reboot doesn't work, a hard reset, also known as 30-30-30 reset, can revert the router to factory settings, which often resolves software-related port issues. With the router powered on, press and hold the reset button for 30 seconds. While still holding the reset button, unplug the power cable and continue holding reset for another 30 seconds. Finally, while still holding reset, plug the power cable back in and continue holding reset for a final 30 seconds. Release the button and let the router boot up. This will erase all your custom settings, so be prepared to reconfigure your Wi-Fi and other preferences. Step 5. Check router firmware and drivers. To update your ASUS router firmware, start by opening your web browser and logging in at http://router.asus.com using your administrator credentials. Once you are logged in, navigate to the Administrator section and select Firmware Upgrade. From there, click Check for the latest version to see if an update is available. If a new version appears, proceed by selecting Download and Update to install it. After completing the firmware update, ensure that your connected device drivers are also up to date to maintain optimal performance and network stability.